In this video, we are going to solve for x in this equation where x belongs to R. We can write x square equals to x square divided by 1. The denominator of each of these terms is the sum of n natural numbers starting from 1 up to 4049. The formula for n natural numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is equals to n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. For the first term, n is equals to 1. For the second term, n is equals to 2. For the third term, n is equals to 3. And for the last term, n is equals to 4049. Hence, for the first term, the denominator 1 is equals to 1 multiplied by 2 divided by 2, because for the first term n is equals to 1 and n plus 1 is equals to 2. For the second term, we have 1 plus 2 equals to 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. For the third term, we have 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 2. And the last term is equals to 4049 multiplied by 4050 divided by 2. Now, replacing the denominator with these values gives this equation. Now, taking these two values into the numerator gives this equation. Now, we have 2x squared common in each of these terms. Taking 2x squared common gives this equation. We can write the one of the first term equals to 2 minus 1, and the one of the second term equals to 3 minus 2, and the one of the third term equals to 4 minus 3, and the one value of the last term equals to 4050 minus 4049. Now, this is our new equation. Now, separating these two terms gives us 2x square multiplied by 2 divided by 1 multiplied by 2 minus 1 divided by 1 multiplied by 2. This is for the first term. Now, for the second term, plus 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 minus 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. For the third term, we have plus 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 4 minus 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 4. And for the last term, we have 4050 divided by 4049 multiplied by 4050 minus 4049 divided by 4049 multiplied by 4050, and this is equals to 4049. Now, cancelling the common terms in all the denominator and numerator gives 2x square multiplied by 1 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 4 up to 1 divided by 4049 minus 1 divided by 4050, and this is equals to 4049. Now, all the middle terms will cancel out due to opposite sign to give the first term and the last term. So this gives us 2x square multiplied by 1 minus 1 divided by 4050 equals to 4049. This gives 2x square multiplied by this difference is equals to 4050 minus 1 divided by 4050 equals to 4049. So this gives 2x square multiplied by 4049 divided by 4050 equals to 4049. 4049 will cancel out to give 2x square equals to 4050. This gives x square equals to 4050 divided by 2, which is equals to 2025. Now, taking square root of both sides of the equation gives x is equals to plus or minus square root of 2025, which is equals to plus or minus 45. Hence, the value of x is equals to plus 45 and minus 45. These are our answers.